In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do each month to make sure your books match your bank and your reports stay accurate. First, let's get prepared before we even click on anything in QuickBooks. Make sure you have your bank statement in front of you, either on paper or on your screen. You'll need the statement ending balance and the statement ending date. These two pieces of information are what you'll be matching to inside QuickBooks. Also, before reconciling, it's important that all the transactions that occurred before that ending date are fully entered and categorized in QuickBooks. That means your sales, expenses, transfers, and any bank fees should already be recorded and assigned to the right accounts. If things are missing or uncategorized, reconciliation will be harder and the numbers won't line up. Once you're ready, it's time to start the reconciliation process in QuickBooks Online. From the left-hand menu, click on Accounting and then choose Reconcile. Another way to get there is to click the gear icon in the top right, go down to Tools, and select Reconcile. On the reconciliation screen, select the bank account you want to reconcile from the drop-down menu. This might be your main checking account, savings account, or any other bank account you have connected. Then, enter the statement's ending date and the ending balance exactly as they appear on your bank statement. Double-check for typos here, because even a small error can throw off your reconciliation. When everything looks correct, click Start Reconciling or Reconcile Now. Now you'll see a list of transactions in QuickBooks for that account. This is where you match transactions. Compare each transaction in QuickBooks with the ones on your bank statement. For every transaction that appears on both, check the box next to it in QuickBooks. Go line by line and take your time. If a transaction appears on your bank statement but you can't find it in QuickBooks, you'll need to add it to QuickBooks before you can mark it as cleared. On the other hand, if you see a transaction in QuickBooks that is not on your statement, leave that box unchecked. It likely belongs to a future period or needs to be investigated. As you check off matching items, watch the difference shown at the top or bottom of the screen. Your goal is to get that difference between the total of your checked items and the statement balance down to 0. When the difference is exactly 0, you're ready to finish. Click Finish Now or Finish to complete the reconciliation. QuickBooks will then give you the option to view a reconciliation report. This report is a helpful summary of what you just did and can be saved or printed for your records, giving you a clear audit trail and peace of mind that your books match your bank.